There are ups and downs in life. Possible this time we are at our lowest point in life. Sometimes results are not coming. Due to frustration, we start to think about quitting or giving up. If you are facing this situation, this video is for you. 1. This is a phase. Tough times come in life. These are part of life. They will never last forever. There is a quote, "Tough times never last, but tough people do." Life is a cycle of highs and lows. Remember, these times will never last forever. These phases of life also passed. There is a storm in life now. When the storm passes, a new day will come. Hold on. 2. You are stronger than you think. Most of the time, stress comes from inside, not outside circumstances. Because in the past, we performed well. But now is a tough time or a bad situation. It does not mean you cannot perform well again. You are still the same, you are still strong. This tough time also teaches you. Remember, many similar situations occurred previously, and you survived them well then. 3. You have inner strength. Believe you can still reach your potential, and you will solve this problem. Remember that you are more capable than you think. You are stronger than you believe. 4. Small steps count. There is a saying that when fog is everywhere and you cannot see anything, you can still see one step. And when you take that step, one more step is again visible. And these small steps lead you to better position. Progress isn't always a leap forward. Sometimes it's tiny, almost imperceptible steps. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Celebrate every bit of progress. Slow and steady can still win the race. Keep moving forward. 5. Remember your why. Think back to the reasons why you started. Reconnect with your motivation and your goals. The successful people are those who stay more persistent than others. They also have lows and highs in their lives. And, perhaps most importantly, they understand why they do what they're doing. This is why that keeps them going. This is why I did not let them down. 6. Failure is a stepping stone. When the toughest failure comes to mind, always remember that every failure is another opportunity to learn. But it does not mean you should stop. First effort, so you cannot fail. Failure is not an option, but if you meet failure, it is another stepping stone. 7. Practice self-care. First of all, you have to take care of yourself. Practice self-care. Eat healthy food. Do exercise. Take proper 6-hour sleep. Enjoy the company of loved ones. Do meditation. Spend time in activities that you love. Hi friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, tough times never last, but tough people will. This period will soon be over. You will come out happier. Remember, after winter, there will always be a bright sky. See you in the next video.